The solutions will have to come from people who think differently, from people who can create different narratives, simply because from our training, we are in the box. We need people who can think outside the box.
And whether we like it or not, everything that we say as the older generation, those who will not be around to see 2080, it is up to a new type of thinking, transdisciplinary, integrative, rooted in participatory information generated from the communities that are going to change things. We can start, but certainly we do not have the tools, we do not have the training to do that. You will need to create new tools. We have a project running right now called ASA. It's part of the Carrier Network. I believe Kenya is part of it. I think Tanzania is part of Carrier, where we are looking at adaptation at scale in semi-arid environments. And we're using new ways of assessing people's understanding of adaptation. Things like mental models. I'm a biophysical scientist. These are new, difficult for me, but we're trying to relearn. So what I'm saying that if you want to change that narrative, if you want to change the framework, if you want to change Africa from the weak position to the stronger position, we need a radical reassessment of what we are bringing to the table. Mr. Chairman, finally, I'll mention that there is a martial art technique. I used to do taekwondo when I was young and thin, but there's a technique called judo, where you use the strength and size of your opponent, even though you're weaker physically, against them. Let us see if we cannot find the African equivalent of judo to take to the climate negotiations. Thank you.